Hello, friends. These are the words that you will need to know for Unit 6, Week 3. So we're going to go over them really quick. And if you do these before you start your reading, it will help you a lot more in your reading. Okay, so we know the words. Communicated. Like here you see in her picture, she is communicating. We probably, hopefully, you're getting on every single day on Mrs. Roberto's Zoom meetings, and we are communicating that way. You could write an email. Oh, I hope you checked your email this morning from Mrs. Roberto, and you can see an email from Mrs. Roberto. That is a different way of communicating. Sometimes if we just talk in the classroom, we are communicating. Essential. This is a word we are hearing a lot right now. We hear essential workers. That means they are important. You have to do those. Those are important for life. So somebody that works in a grocery store, well, that's important. That's essential because they need to provide us with food. Maybe they work at a pharmacy and maybe we need medicine. That's important. That is essential for us to survive. This little girl is brushing her teeth. We know that's essential so that you don't get, when you brush your teeth, it helps you so you don't get sick. Bad things can happen if you don't brush your teeth, so make sure if you haven't done that today, go brush your teeth. Okay, let's go to our next one, goal. So if you have a goal, that's like, I want to get 100% on my spelling test, or I want to get all A's by the end of the year. Maybe I have a C and I want to move it up to a B. That's a goal. Okay, you could also have a goal like maybe you're playing soccer and you kick the ball into the goal. Okay, then our next word, motivated. Motivated. This little boy looks like he is motivated to learn how to play the guitar. He wants to do that. He's so excited. He wants to do that. I have some people that are very motivated in boosting their grades this final quarter. So I hope that that's one of those people is you, that you are motivated to boost your grades higher. You want to get to that next level. Okay, let's see. And professional. Professional is like if you have a professional job, maybe you are a doctor or a nurse, or this is like a police officer. He is in a profession. He is a professional. Let's see, research. Research is when they try to figure things out. Like sometimes we do research, like we did research at the beginning of the year. Maybe you'll remember we read the story about Mary Anderson and the windshield wipers. And remember we did some research because they used to put onion on the windshield wipers. So that was we did some research to see, did that work? What was better? Was it squeegee better? Was the onion better? What worked? We did research to figure that out. Okay, serious. Oh, this little girl looks like she has a very serious look on her face. She's trying to figure out her schoolwork. Maybe it's math time. She is seriously paying attention. I hope when we are doing some math that you are being very serious. Okay, specialist. A specialist is someone that does just one specific thing. So this could be like right here, this is a doctor. He probably just works on children. So you might go to a doctor that is a specialist and he would be called a pediatrician. You might just go to a regular doctor too, but if you go to a pediatrician, he only sees children. Okay? All right, room 15. Those were your vocabulary words. I hope that helped you a little bit when you start your reading. As always, I miss you very much. Bye.